What's going on, everybody? My name is Dwight Rahming Jr. and I hail from the beautiful island of Nassau, Bahamas. I've been playing the drums for about 26 years now, and I'm currently an independent artist. The current sticks that I play right now are the 5A and 5B. So there are a few things that I like about the Collision stick brand. First off, the feel of it. Feels like it has a very good grip. It's not polished with a finish. It's kind of like a matte grip. The second is kind of like the durability of the stick. I've been playing with this stick for a little bit, and it seems pretty sturdy. I also like the quality that it brings. Another thing is the Collision family, the service staff, they've been very prompt with response and very enthusiastic about the product that they present, and that really is a big thing for me. They make you feel a part of the family. The company sets a standard of excellence that they strive to bring throughout every person that they want to bring on the team. And that's something that I believe in, as holding a true standard of who you are and what you represent. And I feel like me being a part of the Collision brand, I will be able to grow and gain more exposure within myself as an independent artist. The song that I'm about to play for you guys is called Island Life. It's by Bahaman. I do not own rights to this music, but I'll just give you a brief demonstration of how fun these Collision drumsticks are to play with.